In 6th class in Bhagat Singh Children Parliament, today laying the role of SC Corporation Chairman. Here is a detailed job role of an SC Corporation Chairman, key responsibilities, leadership, board management, strategic planning, financial oversight, program implementation, skills and qualifications, strong leadership, strategic thinking, excellent communication, SC welfare, knowledge, relevant experience, challenges, limited resource, complexity of SC issues. SC Corporation Chairman 2025-2026 budget challenges, financial challenges, limited funding, resource allocation, inference and cost escalation, commercial challenges,